Okay, let me show you my new gift. Can you? Sabah al khair, good morning guys. Sunday, it's Sunday, so why are you laughing, Bobo?
Hi, good morning.
It's Sunday and we have family lunch, and today we have a special guest. Hanouf! Hanouf! Evie! And we have mom and Ray. And we are going to the mountain, I guess. It's a bit far. Yalla, we'll see you. So we came to a restaurant in Ta'nail called Khan Maqsood, and it's beautiful.
It's a lovely place.
I will take some shots. Yeah. So I came back home, the food was delicious, and when I came back home I saw this on my desk. This means, as you can see, it's written MiraChaar. This means that my sister gave me a gift. Let's see what is the gift. 1 second. Oh my god, oh my god. Wow, no way, no way, no way. The YouTube play button. It's amazing. Wow. Wow. Thank you very much, Mia. Thank you very much. I will put the link to her Instagram page. Check her work. She has amazing products. Like this one. Look at this beautiful necklace. Wow. Thank you, Mira. Thank you very much. It is amazing. I will wear it right now. And I'm going to say thank you to Mira, and after it I'm going to change my clothes and I'm going to Karim's place. We're going to shoot a challenge, and I think that's it for today. I will see you after it. Yeah. So I just reached to Karim's house and I'm out. Hi Enzo. You all know Enzo. Enzo. Hi Enzo. Hi Enzo. Hi. Okay, Karim. Let me show you my new gift. What do you think of it?
شيل هيك حلوة.
Is it nice?
هي حلوة 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 وثقيلة. حلوة حلوة حلوة.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, Mira. Yalla, we'll see you. We might shoot a video and I don't know. Yalla. So I just came back home. We finished from shooting the video, the challenge, and we're uploading it right now. So by the time you're watching this vlog, it is up on my channel. I will put the link at the end of this video and in the description box. And I'm still wearing my beautiful necklace. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Don't forget to check Mira's Instagram page. I will put the link at the end of this video also and in the description box. And I will see you soon in a new vlog. Yeah, peace out.